welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from the Plotting You called Left Behind. So we have rock music here, and I have brought this strumming pattern that pretty much simulates the drum or the beat in this song. You could play this in different ways. This is just me kind of covering this song here, this rock band, with one guitar. So we will use that strumming pattern pretty much just straightforward in this song. A couple of chords to go over. First, let's start with the capo set on the first fret. That's the easiest scenario here for us to handle the different chords. So we'll go over the chords now, and we'll start with the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D next. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the B minor. So that's a bar chord here, a bar on the second fret from the A string and down, so all strings except from the last E here, the bass. So 5 strings there, and then the rest will be fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. And the final chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so we will start the song here with the verse. It starts with C, that's the first chord. And with that, we're going to look at the strumming pattern. So like I said, this is not necessarily it when it comes to how you're going to handle the chords. This is just one way, and we will use this clap here to get the beats going on, okay? So down, up, clap, up. That is what we're going to use for this song. So down, up, clap, up. And it goes pretty fast, so down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, like this. So with that, we're gonna look at the different chord progressions here we have from the different parts. So for the verse, you're gonna play C, 3 string rounds, then D, 1, then E minor 3, and D, 1. All right, so C3, D1, E minor 3, D1, like this. 2, 3, D, E minor, 2, 3, D, again. 2, 3, D, E minor, 2, 3. And so on. All right, so that's the verses. Then it goes over to the pre-chorus. It goes with the same strumming pattern through the entire song. That's what we're gonna use. And it starts in the same way for all these parts. It starts with C 3 times, D 1 time, E minor 3 times, and the last chord now will be B minor 1 round, 1 time. So C3, D1, E minor 3, B minor 1, like this. 2, 3, D, E minor, 2, 3, B minor, C, 2. And so on. So that's the pre-choruses, and the final part is the choruses. And here we're gonna play C 2, then D 2, E minor 2. So it starts with the same chords, just 2 per chord now. So C2, D2, E minor 2, and the last chord is G2. So that is the new chord progression, and 2 strumming rounds per chord. C, D, E minor, and G. Let's go. So there you have it, guys. Upon you, Left Behind. You got the different parts, put it together with the strumming pattern, and it would work perfectly fine. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.